blade and quill.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today let's put in practice all the theories we learned so far. I am working on a project called Around the Globe. My goal is to represent the different cultures of our world using the same cartoon character but with different traditional clothes and hairstyles. As I always say, simple is better, so in this project I am doing my best to simplify the clothes while still keeping the essence of each culture. So far I have my character in a traditional Japanese kimono, and today I am going to dress her in a traditional Peruvian clothing. So let's get started. When I start, I use geometric shapes like ellipses and create a silhouette. I create a layer for each ellipse, this way I can easily edit and move each one of them. When the size and the shape of my character is defined, I merge all the layers into one. Finally, using the Bezier curve, I create guides that will help me decide where to place the features. For the next step, I use my favorite pencil brush, and using different colors I add more elements to the basic silhouette. When the figure starts to make sense, I merge everything into one layer. I decrease the opacity, I create a new layer above and start sketching. There are no needs for me at this point to add any details. By the way, as you trace, you may notice some errors or you may want to change the design of some parts of your drawing. It's normal, just take your time and correct whatever needs to be corrected. Decrease the opacity of the layer and create a new one above. Now don't forget to flip the image as many times as you need to help you catch mistakes. There are many ways to color. For this demonstration, I used the magic wand. Now don't forget to use your brush and feel by hand what Krita missed. I noticed with experience that Krita will miss the very pointy areas and the tiny spaces. Feel free to create your own brush if necessary. This will speed up your workflow. I created this flower brush a few weeks ago, and as you can see, it really speeds up the painting process. Create 2 new layers. Name one highlight, the other shadows. Use the multiply blending mode for the shadows layer. And use the overlay blending mode for the highlights layer. Select the brush called Airbrush Linear. Using its different opacity and flow levels, create your lighting effects. Finally, don't forget to use the eraser to shape your highlights and shadows. Very quickly, let me show you the last steps of the process. I created a frame. I copied and pasted the mountains I created from my Japanese character. Then, using the already existing brushes in Krita, I added stars and grass. The white smoke helped me transition the grass to the mountains. Alright, and we are done for today. I hope this little demonstration was very helpful. I am about to leave on vacation, so please allow me to take a break from teaching. The next few videos this month will be short speed paintings. I really hope you get to watch them because YouTube is merciless to creators who don't get too much time. So thank you in advance for watching them and helping me beat this wicked algorithm. I'll catch up with you in September. Until then, have a wonderful end of your summer, have fun and be safe. Alright, see you later. Bye.